In this short video, I'll show you how to replace the drum cartridge. Let's start to replace the drum cartridge. Open the front cover. Remove the waste toner cartridge by turning the lock lever counterclockwise, pressing down on the release latches, and then gently rotating the cartridge downward until it lies flat. Take note of where the openings are so we can minimise the chance of a toner spill. In this case, the openings are on the bottom here. So, by placing the waste toner cartridge on a flat surface with the openings facing up, we shouldn't cause a spill. Remove the appropriate drum cartridge by grasping the small tan drum release lever and rotating it clockwise. Then remove the tan coloured thumb screw. Gently pull the used drum cartridge partway out of the machine. While holding the front with one hand, grasp the left side of the cartridge with your other hand and then completely remove the cartridge from the machine. Please note that the used drum is recyclable. Remove the new drum cartridge from its packaging, being careful not to touch the surface of the drum, and carefully install the new cartridge into the printer. Lift the drum cartridge release lever counterclockwise to lock the cartridge into place, and then replace and tighten the thumb screw. Remove the cleaning rod from the front inside of the front cover of the printer. With the small grey pad facing upward, insert the cleaning rod into one of the 4 cleaning holes until it stops, and then pull out the rod. Repeat 2 more times to clear any excess toner that may have spilled during the drum install. Repeat the procedure for the holes in the other 3 slots. When finished, return the cleaning rod to its original location. Reinstall the waste toner cartridge by lowering the bottom of the cartridge into position with the black casing facing in, then locking it into place by pushing the top forward until the latches click. Then rotate the lock lever clockwise, returning it to the lock position. Close the front cover and finish by preparing to return the used drum cartridge for recycling. Follow the instructions included with the new cartridge, and that's it. For more information, drivers, self-help solutions and downloads, please visit